Hey guys, today's health topic is food groups. A food group is a collection of foods that share a similar nutritional good. There is a list or a guide that children and adults should go by. There are 5 different groups, and we are here to break them down for you.
Hey kids, I'm going to be going over proteins. Proteins are long chain-like molecules that are made up of small units called amino acids, joined together by peptide bonds. Protein is essential for life, and it is crucial to all the cells in the body, playing a key role as enzymes in a cell. After water, protein is the most plentiful substance in the body. Complete protein that has all amino acids, including essential ones, are meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and soy. Incomplete protein sources include nuts, grains, fruits, and vegetables that Ms. Gonzalez and Ms. Chavez talked to you about earlier. Here's a fun fact for you. The word protein is actually derived from a Greek word, proteos, which means primary or in the lead. So make sure that you're getting those proteins. Here's another kind of nasty fun fact. Insects actually contain quite high levels of protein, more than some normal protein foods. So if you ever get stuck in the wild, you might want to consider eating that beetle. We even have a protein called keratin in our hair, nails, and outer skin. Proteins can grow, maintain, and replace tissues in our bodies. Therefore, our muscles, organs, and immune system is mostly made of protein.
Now we are going to talk about vegetables. Vegetables are a plant or part of a plant used as food, typically that go along with meat or fish. Any vegetable or 100% vegetable juice counts as a member of the vegetable group. Vegetables may be raw or cooked, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried/dehydrated. Some examples would be cabbage, potato, carrot, radishes, bell peppers, or broccoli. The daily recommendation for children who are 8 years old is to have at least 1.5 cups of vegetables. And for girls that are 9 years old, the daily recommendation is 2 cups, and for boys that are 9 years old, the daily recommendation is 2.5 cups. The amounts I listed just right now are for children or individuals that get less than 30 minutes of physical activity. Obviously, if you encounter more than 30 minutes of physical activity, you are able to consume more amount of vegetables. As you can see, this is a measuring cup. On the side of the measuring cup, you will see different measurements. We will be only focusing on the cup size, and you will be able to fill your vegetables to the appropriate amount, which correlates with your age and the amount that I have provided for you. Like I said, those are the amounts for individuals who only received less than 30 minutes of physical activity. You may consume more vegetables if you go over the 30 minutes of physical activity. Now you are able to use all the information I gave you to consume the right amount of vegetables daily, and you will be able to continue living your healthy, fun lifestyle.
Hey guys, I'm going to be covering the fruit section. A fruit is part of a flowering plant that contains seeds. Its skin is often very thin, very tough, or very hard. The inside as well is often very sweet and super juicy. Fruits develop from a plant's flower. And here's a fun fact for you. Some foods that people think are vegetables are actually fruits. Fruits actually fall into 6 different categories, and I'm going to show that to you today. First, let's start with our berries. These are small, juicy fruits with thin skins. These are like grapes, strawberries, cherries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Now let's move on to our pome or pit fruits. These have an outer skin covering a soft, fleshy mesocarp, which is a skin, and hard stone endocarp, which is like the inside. These are fruits like cherries, apricots, peaches, mangoes, avocados, and plums. Now for our core fruits. These have a central core containing seeds and a thick layer of mesocarp flesh, which is skin flesh. These are fruits like apples and pears. Our citrus fruits have a thick outer rind and a segmented flesh. These are fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and mandarins. Melons are large, juicy fruits with thick skins and many seeds. These are like watermelons, cantaloupes, and honeydew. And for our last group, tropical fruits. These are fruits that grow in warmer climates. These are like pineapples, bananas, coconuts, and star fruits.
Hey guys, so the last food group that we're gonna go ahead and talk about is the grain group. So you might say, what foods are exactly in the grain group? Any food that's made from rice, wheat, or oats are all grain products. Some examples that you might be very familiar with would be bread, rice, some cereals, popcorn, and oatmeal are all grain products. So grain is actually divided into two subgroups. You have the whole grain and then you have the refined grain. The whole grain contains the whole kernel, which is the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Some examples would be whole wheat flour and brown rice. With refined grains, they actually go through a process called mill, which pretty much takes off the germ and the bran from the grain rice. That mill process actually also takes off the dietary fiber and the iron. Some examples would be the white flour and white rice. So the amount you're supposed to take depends on your age, your sex, and how physical you are with physical activity. So if you're physical, like you like to go running, you like to go play outside with your dogs, it's suggested that you eat a lot more whole grain because it's a lot healthier and it actually helps you if you're physically fit. The amount you're supposed to take is 3 to 8 ounces equivalent each day. So remember, if you're physically active and you like to go outside, you like to be running around, eat your whole grains. It's a lot healthier and it actually gives you a lot more energy.